Here's how to use Claude AI. Click on the prompt field, write your prompt and then click on Start a new chat or press Enter. I'll ask Claude AI to explain the difference between a keto and vegan diet. Here is a quick comparison of the key differences between a ketogenic diet and a vegan diet. Main macronutrient focus: keto, very fat, very low carb, moderate protein. Vegan can vary but often higher carb and lower fat compared to keto. Congratulations, now you know how to use Claude AI. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Let's Not Waste Time. For more useful Claude AI tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Claude AI tutorials. I'll see you there.